My name is Seth, and I am a front-end developer here at Customer Paradigm. We're located in Boulder, Colorado, beautiful place to be. We've got roughly 25 people in the office. I've been a developer for about 3 years. Before that I was largely on the design side of things, and I've been programming and developing for about 3 years. I think the best thing about Customer Paradigm is the work culture. It's very relaxed, it's very easygoing, and yet everyone works very hard and is very willing to help each other and jump in whenever needed. It's just great people and some interesting work as well. Oh boy, I think the largest challenge for any developer in this day and age is to stay up to date with the latest technologies, trends. You know, staying on the cutting edge of the best way to solve our clients' problems is really probably one of the toughest things we have to do. Oh boy, to a developer just starting out, I'd say make sure you have a good foundation before you jump too far forward with trying to learn new languages. I see plenty of developers that are eager, and which is a good thing, but they can tend to take on more than they're ready for a little too early. So I would say make sure you have a good foundation in general coding practices before you try to learn too much. I think Magento is the best solution for many of our clients, especially the clients with large stores and many SKUs. It really is a fantastic platform that's supported by an open source community. It has features built in that nothing else can really match, and it's extendable and flexible to such a high degree that there's almost nothing it can't do in the e-commerce world. Oh, my favorite thing about WordPress is what it allows our clients to do after we hand the site over to them. WordPress is rightfully known for being such a user-friendly platform that I always feel good about turning over a WordPress site and knowing that the client can do all the things that they're going to need to do to take care of their site and manage it properly. Yes, I really enjoyed working on a project we have ongoing for a local company named Adams Polishes. They're really big in the car care field, and just a great bunch of guys. They're really fun to do business with. I'm currently working on one for a client that is forcing me to learn a lot of new SQL database troubleshooting techniques, and I always like when something forces me to expand my skill set, so I'm pleased about that. Git may be the most important tool a developer can use. We use Git for every project, and our processes are pretty extensive for how we use Git, but it's crucial for a number of reasons. It allows us to go through revisions on a client's project and back things up and revert things to a state of working order if they go wrong. Lets us track every individual change that various developers might make. It makes it very easy for different developers to collaborate on the same project. It's really just a fantastic tool for keeping your development process in line. Well, I think as a developer, we all take a great deal of responsibility in making sure that the product we give the client, which is really code in the end, is well written and easy to work with. And if they choose to go with another development firm after us, we want to make it easy for other developers to jump in there and for it to make sense what we've done and for them to be able to pick up where we left off. The e-commerce marketplace just gets bigger and bigger all the time. One thing I feel like there are more opportunities for the small e-commerce client to get into the game and make things happen, especially with a platform like Magento. I think the biggest changes are going to come on the payment side. We've seen a lot of interesting things kind of fluttering around the edges of the e-commerce world, single payer sort of situations that are going to do away with what we think of as the checkout process. I think that's where the biggest innovations at this point in the e-commerce field are coming. I think you have to be a little bit of both to be successful in this field. If you just have one mentality and one strategy, you're going to find it hard to be successful. So sometimes I do a little hunting, sometimes I do a little gathering. I'm a hip-hop guy myself, especially with the more underground stuff. But I certainly can have those days when it's a metal day as well. Oh, Spider-Man, without a doubt. No question. Spidey sense, he knows what's going to happen. Well, I think Customer Paradigm's future is very bright, especially at this point in time. We're getting ready to launch some products that the Magento market should really be excited about. We're very excited about them. And it's going to open up kind of a new avenue for Customer Paradigm with selling more of a boxed product type of situation. It's very exciting, and I'd love to see where that's going.